So we're going to be casting one of our new rings, the floral ring I've posted recently. It's got a lot of intricate details, so we're going to see how that turns out. Alright, so that did turn out pretty good. I don't see any flaws with it so far, but I'm going to go clean it up and then we'll see. Alright, it's not quite done yet. I have basically sandblasted it and threw it in the tumbler after I cut off the sprue, and that's what it's looking like so far. So now I'm going to actually polish. Alright, that is mostly done. We just need to polish in the crevices and add a gem, and we'll be good to go.